with his presence here, I can confidently conclude that our Lord Bishop is presently here. On that note, I can express here my impression because I believe honor is the language of greatness. For you to recognize it, obviously now on a new within and across Okadasis. You will say now from my own personal cost, senior 5,000, we commend the Anya for his leadership excellence in the church, for his industry and tenacity in the sacred order. God will suffer nothing in blessing you and the other gatherers of priests that we are recognized today.
I have a message. Congratulations. I have a message for you. God has sent me to you. I have a message for you. God has sent me to you. Listen, them say, them tell you say you can never be the one. But God say, make I tell you say now you him choose in 1 month, in 1 week. You will sing a new song in 2 days, unless I die.